What?
The brakes are really up. Like, what's going on, guys? We're out here this weekend for New Year's. We're gonna be just doing a little camping on the Mogollon Rim out here. But I do have some serious discussions with you guys pretty soon when I get to camp and we set up. So stay tuned for that. A couple questions for you guys. Yeah, let's get to it. Let's hit the trail. All right, we just rolled up on this camp spot that we went to a long time ago when I had my big old F-150. I'll show you guys. We're gonna keep this one in mind for tonight. We're gonna keep going, drinking, and driving. We got the first employee of Downtime Lost over here. Check us out on downtimelost.com. We got some sick gear. I'd appreciate you guys if you did. At this spot too, nice little overlook from Mogollon Rim. Hope we see the Mogollon monster this weekend. I'll give him a beer. This is my buddy right here. We've known each other since like 3rd grade. This is Jackson. He's the homie from day one. And I'm trying to get him out camping with me more often because we used to do this back in the day. All right, boys. Well, all these other camp spots are kind of a bust, so we're just gonna send it back to camp, get up some dinner ready, and drink some beer, and set the fire up. And the new diesel heater. So stay tuned for the diesel heater, the Chinese diesel heater. We're gonna try it out for the first time. Let's hope we don't freeze our asses off tonight. So it should be fun. It's gonna be about probably 25 degrees tonight. We're gonna test out that diesel heater, see how it is. Don't freeze, hopefully not. We'll see how it goes. Listen to this, boys, listen. Ooh. Nasty. Nasty. Mobbing. And yeah, hope you had a happy New Year's. You saw some fireworks. And what are your guys' New Year's resolutions? Throw it down in the comments. Let me throw it down in the comments. We're not trying to die this year, you know. But yeah, throw it down in the comments what you guys' New Year's resolution is. I'm curious. I'm curious. There. Let me know when I get on top.
Okay.
Oh yeah. This is the spot, boy. This is the spot right here. Alright, here's the diesel heater, guys. Look-see diesel heater. Just gotta set everything up there tonight. And then I got an EcoFlow. It's an iceless refrigerator right here. Oh yeah. Get your ass over here, boy. Come on, man. Let's go. All right, guys, what up? We got the tent set up and everything. I'll show you guys a little bit around camp right now. We got Fin hanging out, just roaming. We got the Roam tent all set up, ready for the diesel heater. Got this Lakeshi diesel heater with the new Christmas present right here, diesel Rotopex. We got this kind of up here. We got this guy kind of ratchet strapped underneath to keep us warm. Jackson is somewhere looking for firewood. Mr. Lumberjack, where's he at? Oh, I don't know. We got our view right here for tonight. It's pretty nice. Fire pit all right here and chairs. That is the view for tonight, guys. The sun is going down. It's looking real lovely. But go find the firewood and then make some dinner. We got some wieners over here and some buns and some chips. Yeah. Sun chips, that's about it. Got this nice fire up here. Shout out to this guy. Shout out to this guy making this fire right here now. And then we got the nice view out here. Yeah.
Wanted to use a propane fire. I can't use propane fire.
Yeah, we actually have a non-fire ban this year, or this weekend, so. All right, guys, we just started these later. How many hours it says on there?
1.
1 hour?
49 minutes.
No.
9 hours, 7 hours, 10 hours.
All right. Well.
It's jumping around.
Yeah, it's priming everything and getting it going here. Once it starts, it should level off. We gotta talk about this too right here. None of you guys like my overlanding videos. Hurts my fucking feelings because I like making these videos. I like camping and doing all that, but no one ever watches them. So you guys should watch them. I mean, I can't be beating the truck up all day, every day on the trails. I mean, it's fun and all, but sometimes I like to relax, drink beer by the fire.
If they don't watch your overlanding videos, they're not gonna watch this one.
I know, but fucking A, you guys should watch it.
Yeah, watch this one. Watch this video.
Yes, we're trying, dude, and it's fun. I mean, hopefully we'll have some cool install videos, some coilovers.
How much comments do you have to get to jump your truck?
I already jumped it. All right, guys, we're going out to United by Bronco this year out in Sand Hollow in Utah. So if you guys got a Bronco, come say hi. We might jump it over there in Sand Hollow. I know they got some trails out there, but we need the coilovers first. We can't be jumping it with stock suspension. What temperature is it right now? 35 degrees? 40 degrees? Something like that.
34.
Oh, 34.
35.
35 degrees. He woke up way before me, and it kind of was a little snow dusting out here. I was too lazy, and I was cold in the tent because the diesel heater did just great, but my power bank died at like 11 o'clock. So the rest of the night, it was pretty cold. Woke up, it was a little dusting on the truck and some flurries, and the tent was covered. I didn't get any video of that because I was sleeping, but a little beautiful view with the coffee. What, Finn? What? Yeah, so we're gonna enjoy some coffee by the fire and then eat breakfast. The viewers love diddling. Then we got Jackson's coffee cup. I forgot to bring him a coffee cup.
Yeah, he's like, you don't need anything. I got it. Don't worry about nothing.
Little Keystone cut up fucking coffee cup, dude. Hell yeah. Done that a couple times. All right, guys, we're gonna start packing up and hitting the town and hitting the trails and hopefully find some cool obstacles out here. Little did I know, soon here, I'm gonna shit myself and my day is gonna be completely ruined. Uh-oh. Shout out MagnaFlow again. Had a dead battery once again. Shout out. Saved the day. Saved the day. Woo! Thought we were fucked. I was trying to get you guys a full start fucking video when I start the truck, but it was dead. And shout out to MagnaFlow again. Rich, you still saved my life. Thank you.
What?
The brakes are really dull. Like they're actually.
Like they don't work, or
They're like, when I tried to stop right there, it didn't want to stop, dude. We had to smash that shit. I'm driving, full brakes, like to the floor.
that is?
Yeah, that's full brakes to the floor, dude.
Do it again.
All right, well, I'm gonna go around this. All right, guys. Well, we're on our way back home. We're gonna do a little off-roading, but brakes don't want to work, and we have to drive back down from Strawberry, which is probably like 8,000 feet. Something down mountains ranges down to the valley with no fucking brakes. So
It's probably more like 6,000.
6,000. Let's hope, since the battery died, let's try to recharge a little bit and then maybe turn it off, turn it back on. I don't fucking know, dude. I have a good idea. Well, we might have ripped up this time. I mean, that's not my fault, dude. I can jump it because the dead battery was dead. What else are we gonna do? Oh, you mean charge it out here in the woods? Come on. Plug it into a pine tree? Come on.
At least my ass is warm.
Yeah, this is not fun. This would have been a blast if my brakes worked. Well, we stopped. We got to the main road just in case OnStar. We had to call OnStar because everything broken. Turn the truck off, and everything's back up and running. We got brakes now, boys. Woo! But check engine lights on, but it'll probably go away. Chevy, you guys need to figure out your electrical problems, dude. Like, this is ridiculous. I mean, I know every time I get some air code, it's not the problem. I just have to deal with it. It's just stupid. So we're gonna go up to Strawberry. Hey boys, we're airing up. We got brakes now. Snowing out here a little bit, kind of. I wish we could have, had a little more off-road in this video, but that's just how it is out here in Pine Strawberry. Not much fucking off-roading to do, so oh well, it is what it is. So make sure to go watch last week's video right here. Check it out. We shit on the Tacoma, but we all got problems, right? Love all makes and models. I'm just a truck guy, we love it all. We're going back to Strawberry right now, and let's hope the brakes work. They seem like they're working, so that's good. Hit the gas, nothing pops up. Oh yeah, we got brakes. We're good. What's going on, guys? We're back from our trip. It's been about 2 days, since we came home from the Mogollon Rim, and come over here. Like I said. Oh, I gotta turn it on. Hold on. Like I said, the check engine light is gone. So, I knew that was gonna happen. It's kind of funny that it happened on the day that I made the video about talking shit about the Tacoma. I mean, what are the odds? But, yeah, I mean, every new vehicle is gonna have problems. We'll see how the new Tacoma does, but, this one, it's not like big issues, it just throws some codes at your face, and it's not really the issue. You just gotta wait a couple days and it'll go away. Reading in the forums, I did notice that some of the guys did have the brake malfunction after they jumped the truck, the first kind of over-the-air update bullshit that GM did, but thankfully my brakes came back, so I'm not gonna bring it to the dealership. They're all working good now. Thank God it didn't short the whole system like a couple of you guys had. Now they're in the shop. I'm curious, did they just stop working all the way, or did you turn the truck off and turn it back on and then it worked? You just brought it back into them. But yeah, that was a very interesting trip. Overall, it was fun. Just a little oh shit moment in the morning. But yeah, 2024 is going to be the year of adventure for me. We're going up to United by Bronco in Sand Hollow area this year, beginning of the year. Then we're going to be going up to Sequoia National Forest, over to Yosemite, down to Vegas, and then we're going to do a PCH trip, so Pacific Coast Highway all the way up through California. Going to be doing that, just kind of exploring a little bit of the California land. But yeah, I appreciate you guys watching. I hope you had a happy new year, and big things coming on 2024. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Check out the merch, downtimelost.com, and support your boy. I love you guys, and you guys take it easy. See ya.